So my liftgate been tripping, right? It's been tripping. Trying to open the thing. So it won't go up. So now I'm here to check what's the reason. Oh, now I see why it's been tripping. You guys see here, it's leaking somewhere. So now the funny thing is, I know that's supposed to be the reservoir for the hydraulic oil, but now I don't know how to check the level. I don't know if you have to pull this out. I look on YouTube trying to see if somebody did it before. Nobody have a video on that. I'm gonna have to figure it out myself. I'm gonna have to figure it out myself. Alright, let me figure it out. Let's see what's going on. Now, I just bought me some hydraulic fluid, right? And as you guys can see here, look like I'm leaking somewhere. But the funny thing is, they don't put a clear thing so you can see the level of the oil. That way I can know for sure that I need oil, right? So now I'm kind of like guessing. So now, I don't know, man. I'm gonna try to put the oil in there. So hopefully that's really the issue. But when I'm looking here, I don't see no liquid at all. It sounds empty. So I hope that was the issue. I had to spend like $30. So how about this? And I'm gonna pour the oil on it. And let's see what it does, man. Let's see what it does. So yep, guys, I'm leaking somewhere. I put the thing on, okay? I put the liquid, but look, I'm leaking somewhere, so I need to change that box. Quick. So I see the issue. I'm leaking somewhere, which I had an idea from looking here, but yeah. I put a little sum on it. Goes down. I see what the issue is, so it's crazy, man. You always gotta deal with something.